I'm only dancing alone. Boy, if Kendrick Lamar got a Grammy for Best Album of the Year with that track, not saying that it's a bad track, but if he got a Grammy for that track, I deserve two just for what I just did right there. That was just a little piece. Imagine if I did the whole song. Game over, son. But where the real game over is, not like Kendrick Lamar's Super Bowl game over. No, this is the real game over right here, baby. And for all the AirMax lovers that claim they're AirMax lovers, and I just realized I got my glasses on. When you got 15,000 things in your mind, yeah, it happens, guys. You totally forget things. But back to what I was saying, if you're a real AirMax lover and you ain't got these bad boys right here, boom! The OG, baby! The Hyper Blues! Come on, man. Come on. You're talking about you're an AirMax lover and you ain't got the Hyper Blues yet? Especially for the price that they're going for? We'll get to that at the end, baby. We're first going to get into these bad boys. And I'm going to show you the actual presentation of them. Because there's one little thing about it that I actually like about the presentation. And it's that right there. You guys see it right there? I'm going to try to zoom it in. OG, they actually put it right there. AirMax OG. I like that. I like that very much. The rest of the box is horse shit. So like I always say, take care of your boxes. You already know what I start off with. The materials and the toe box. Guys, when it comes to the material, it is precious, beautiful, magnificent. I love it. I'm a little exaggerating right now, but go with it. Go with it. But on a serious note, it is very good quality. The mesh is on point. Very, very nice. You see right there in the toe box, the OG clear plastic all around the toe box right there. Very nice. And everybody knows that's the OG touch right there. Now going into the top of the sneaker and the tongue, you see the gradient blue, very nice, very beautiful, very nice UNC type of blue, if you want to call it like that. And you see the black laces all the way in the top of the tongue. You get that nice little nubuck type material, very nice, with the Nike Air in yellow. Now we'll touch on that little yellow subject towards the end of the video, guys. There's a couple of little things here that are a little bit different, but let's get back to it. But nevertheless, it is yellow, guys. Now going into the side of the sneaker, you see in the bottom the nubuck going all across the sneaker, and you see that gradient blue turns darker and darker and darker all the way to the end. That I'm not gonna lie to you, the back of this sneaker is magnificent. I love it. But we're still not in the back. Let's keep going with the sides. And you see right there the classic AirMax Plus TN design. And a nice material, guys. This silicone material, plastic, I don't know exactly what it is. You see it very nice, very well made. You don't see any type of glue marks on it. And you see the swoosh in yellow going all the way to the back of the sneaker. A classic OG, guys, with that nubuck and the TN logo all the way at the end. Very nice, very nice. Let me stop myself here real quick. I am going to get into the materials of this, into a little bit of a detail of the materials towards the end of the video, guys. Stay with me over here, guys. There's a couple of little things that I got to criticize on in this joint. Now going into the midsole of the shoe, you see it right there with black and white, very nice, with the air bubble in yellow, of course, guys, like the OG game. And you see that middle shank in dark blue, and it gradients into a real dark navy blue. Going into the sole of the sneaker, not much more of a difference than the original, guys. When it comes to the sole of the sneaker, very, very well made. You see the air bubble in the back with that TN design in blue with the gradient, nice little light blue going on right there. You see the blue pucks in the front, and you see the air bubble slits all the way in the bottom of those pucks. You see those yellow circles that all AirMax TNs have. Classic, guys. And of course, the TN logo right in the middle of the sneaker. Going into the insole of the shoe, it's in blue. And it actually has like a little replica of the actual heel of the shoe. If you guys can see it right there, really nice. And the mesh surrounding the ankle collar, Very nice, very good mesh, not much to say about it. And like I said, I'm just gonna get straight to the point when it comes to reviewing sneakers, guys. I'm gonna show you the material, show you the colors, show you the whole shebang, and at the end give you the assessment of what do I truly think about the sneaker and what do I think about sizing, comfort, the whole shebang, guys. I'm trying to get you the reviews as quick as possible, laugh a little bit for shits and giggles, and then keep on going to the next one. What exactly do I have to say about the OGs, guys? These OGs, let me tell you something. This shoe is my favorite sneaker of all time, the AirMax Plus TN. My favorite sneaker of all time. But there's a big reason why the Cayano 14s are creeping up to this shoe real fast. Because there's a couple of things that I don't really like about it. And what is one of them? And I'm going to talk about the OG here. I'm going to talk about this one, the Hyper Blue, guys. The yellow is not the exact same yellow. This is like a pale canary nightmare type of color. Very bad. I don't like the color of the yellow on it. So right there, they kind of messed up on it. Not even close to the original. The nubuck that they're using all around the shoe, guys, if I look at the shoe and not the camera, excuse me for that, but I'm trying to remember these type of things over here. This nubuck feels like an old woman's ass. And yes, I have grabbed some old ass. Yeah. Don't be acting all decent around me. And it's actually not a very good example, thinking about it real good, because it's actually pretty soft. Hey, old ladies need loving too. What's going on with you, son? Don't hate regulate. What do you want? You want the nice crispy ones, huh? You like the 22, 23-year-olds. You can keep that, bro. That's high maintenance. That's not good for me. That's why I got the cheddar for the sneakers, homie. Let's get back into it before I get more excited. So yeah, besides that, it was a bad example right there. It's just bad, man. It's kind of hard. It's not horrible material, but it's just, this thing is rough around the edges. Anyways, guys, now let's get into the air bubbles right there. If you guys can see right there, the air bubbles, they're not painted very good. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. They're not painted very nice. I think they did a kind of sloppy job on it. For some reason, the air bubbles look like they're a real OG. I guess the OG, they went all out on it, right? Like it's already patinaed. I don't know what the hell they're doing with this thing. I don't know what old lady ass they're rubbing this up. I'm serious about this, guys. Yeah. Let's get back to the shoes. The sole of the sneaker, very nice. Not gonna complain about it. Very nice, very beautiful. Like I said, nothing bad to talk about. But those little details right there, I'm not really happy with. And I have not undestocked these shoes yet, guys. So I am gonna undestock them. I'll bring you the video, see if the comfort level has changed in any type of way, because I'm actually intrigued now, because the materials to me are not practically the same anymore. Now when it comes to sizing, guys, like I told you, I cannot bring the comfortability. I gotta do the undestocking video. But when it comes to sizing, in my case, I go half a size up, guys. The shoe is extremely narrow. Could I have gone a 9.5 true to size? Guaranteed I could have, guys. I have a very narrow foot, but I still don't suggest it for if you just have a normal type of foot. I suggest going half a size up when it comes to these shoes. Me, with a narrow foot, I go half a size up. I recommend you the exact same thing. Once again, guys, excuse me that I cannot bring you the comfortability. If I will have to rate it into one of my other TNs, then I will have to say an easy 9.4, like I say, 9.3. Like I said, guys, I love this sneaker. It's my favorite silhouette of all times, even though the Cayano 14 is rapidly getting close to this and about to surpass it. No lie. So there you guys have it, getting straight to the point on it. Not much to talk about, guys. I'm not gonna extend this video to 20 minutes. It is what it is, guys. OG Hyper Blue. And if you're still a fan of Nike Air Max TNs, Hyper Blues, this is a must. Don't matter even if it's Canary Nightmare Yellow. It doesn't matter, guys. The next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace!